Eric has moved on from the clay build for the alloy body and is now concentrating on the chassis build. This is a combination of an original Fiat chassis and our own upgraded designs. The Fiat chassis at this point is really a starting point and will be mostly fabricated ultimately when done. However, this is a chassis design build. We are not building a tube chassis from scratch. We are utilizing a Fiat chassis just as the Italian coach builders did in the 50s and 60s. Once Eric has the bottom pan structure done, he will then move to creating the greenhouse and the A, B, and C pillars that will integrate to the alloy body design we have created in the clay model.